Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Press tab 3 times and your editor applies fixes across files. That's Cursor AI for you. Let's dive into a quick code screen showcasing multi-line autocomplete and agent diff preview. Hey, I'm Alex from WhatsNext, and today we're talking about Cursor, a VS Code fork with some seriously smart AI tools. Big names like Uber, Google, and Amazon are already testing it out, and it's projected to be valued at a whopping $9 billion by May 2025. So, let's explore what makes Cursor so special. First up, we've got multi-line autocomplete. This feature is a game changer. You type a few words, hit tab, 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 and boom! Edits ripple across files, saving you tons of time on repetitive code. Users are calling it coding at the speed of thought. Let me show you a before and after with just a few tabs. Next, we've got smart rewrites and bug fixes. Highlight that messy code, type fix it or optimize, and watch Cursor work its magic. It automatically rewrites your code and even includes a bug finder tool that scans the diff and suggests fixes. Check out this bug finder UI with its confidence score. Pretty neat, right? Now, let's talk about agent mode. Hit Ctrl+I and you're in business. Tell Cursor to update this feature, run tests, and it'll edit across files for you. You've got different modes to choose from: agent, ask, manual, and custom. Here's a visual of the diff window and task execution in action. But wait, there's more! With chat and code-based queries Ctrl+L, you can ask natural questions like where's the login logic? Cursor retrieves the context and answers, supporting docs, images, and even UI sketches. Let's take a look at the chat sidebar in action. Cursor also supports at web and docs, prefix with at web to fetch live web docs, which is super helpful when you're using new APIs or frameworks. You can even add custom docs via at docs. Watch as I drag this docs link and generate code on the fly. Terminal commands are another cool feature. Just type install Express Server and Cursor writes the shell command for you. You confirm, run, and you're good to go. Here's a visual of those auto-generated terminal commands. Privacy conscious, Cursor's got you covered with privacy mode and SOC2 certification. This keeps your code local, no storage, no training. About 50% of users have this on by default, making it perfect for enterprise or private code. Cursor also has a great memory. It remembers your code context across sessions and lets you set custom rules to enforce type hints and code style. You can even use the MCP server to integrate databases or APIs. For you data scientists and designers out there, Cursor works in Jupyter notebooks, allowing AI edits per cell. It can even convert Figma designs into front-end code, saving you tons of time building UI from mockups. And here's a time saver we all need: AI commit messages. After you make edits, Cursor crafts commit messages for you. You can tweak these with cursorals, saving both time and mental load. Here's a look at the commit window with an AI suggested message. So why does all this matter? Well, Cursor boosts dev speed by a whopping 100 to 130%. It's no wonder big firms like Google and Amazon are adopting it. It's like vibe coding: say less, have AI build more. But remember, you still need that human touch for review. If you're new to development, start with chat, docs, and web features. For the pros out there, dive into multi-line, agent mode, and the bug finder. Enterprise users should definitely enable privacy mode and take advantage of that SOC2 certification. And if you want a custom flow, set up those rules and MCP. Cursor AI is revolutionizing the way we code, making development faster, smarter, and more intuitive. It's not just about writing code. It's about thinking code and having an AI assistant that understands and executes your vision. From multi-line autocomplete that feels like coding at the speed of thought to smart rewrites that clean up your messy code in seconds, Cursor is packed with features that streamline your workflow. The agent mode takes it a step further. allowing you to delegate complex tasks across multiple files with simple natural language commands. The integration of chat and code-based query brings a new level of interaction with your project. Imagine having a knowledgeable colleague always at your side, ready to answer questions about your codebase or fetch relevant documentation. That's what Cursor offers with its Chat Plus code-based query feature. For those working with external resources, via web and docs support is a game changer. No more context switching between your editor and browser. Everything you need is right there in Cursor. And when it comes to running commands, the terminal commands feature turns your thoughts into action with just a few keystrokes. Privacy and security haven't been overlooked either. With Privacy Mode and SOC2 certification, Cursor ensures that your code stays your code. This is particularly crucial for enterprise users or anyone working on sensitive projects. The AI's ability to remember your codebase across sessions and enforce custom rules adds another layer of efficiency to your workflow. It's like having a personal assistant who not only remembers your preferences, but also helps maintain consistency across your projects. For data scientists and designers, Cursor's support for Jupyter Notebooks and Figma designs bridges the gap between different aspects of development. It's not just about writing code anymore. It's about seamlessly integrating all parts of the development process. And let's not forget about those AI-generated commit messages. They might seem like a small feature, but they can save you significant time and mental energy over the course of a project. No more staring at the screen trying to come up with a concise, meaningful commit message. Cursor's got you covered. All these features combine to create a development environment that's not just faster, but smarter. It's about working more efficiently, reducing cognitive load, and focusing on the creative aspects of coding rather than getting bogged down in repetitive tasks. But remember, as powerful as Cursor is, it's still a tool. It's there to augment your skills, not replace them. The human touch is still crucial in reviewing code, making architectural decisions, and ensuring that the final product meets the needs of users. So whether you're a seasoned developer looking to supercharge your workflow, a newbie trying to get a leg up in the coding world, or an enterprise looking to boost productivity across your development teams, Cursor has something to offer. If this video has piqued your interest, why not give Cursor a try? Start with the features that align with your current workflow and gradually explore its more advanced capabilities. You might be surprised at how much it can transform your coding experience. Remember, the future of coding is here, and it's more interactive, intuitive, and intelligent than ever before. So are you ready to code at the speed of thought? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest in development tools and tech, subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which Cursor feature are you most excited to try first? Thanks for watching and happy coding!